building a price list in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to set what each customer pays per SKU, assign it by customer type or territory, and simulate the impact before it goes live. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Price Lists from your dashboard. Price lists control what each customer or distributor is charged for each SKU. Click New Price List and name it for who it applies to, standard wholesale or taproom retail, for example. Add SKUs to the list one at a time, or import a group at once, then enter the price for each. If this list should apply automatically to a specific customer type or territory, set that under Assignment Rules. Before you publish, run a price what-if simulation. I'll preview how this list affects a sample of real orders, so you catch a pricing mistake before it goes live, not after a customer's already been invoiced. Once you're satisfied, save and activate. From here, this price list is available to assign to distributors and customers, and it drives what shows up automatically when someone builds a sales order.